Hey everyone, this is Jack from the Blue Storm Chasers. We're back out here in southwest Missouri, near Joplin. We're currently in Mount Vernon, Missouri, 20 miles away from Joplin, like I said before. As you can see, this storm, or these storms, are starting to pop out really fast. It's starting to break the cap as well. You can see the echo tops developing right now. This is going to be a very insane windbag event, but not like too crazy. But I do expect some windstorms to hit some towns in Missouri, doing some tree damage and maybe some power pole damage. But really, right now these storms are literally in Kansas. I think they're in Kansas, but they're about to enter into Missouri. So right now these storms are really like exploding like crazy. And once it gets dark out, this is gonna be a low level jet. The low level jet's gonna increase the lightning. Therefore, we will see some interesting CGs or anvil crawlers. And yeah, and there's a possible chance for maybe some rotation, but I wouldn't like rule out a brief tornado. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be an interesting chase yet again. And I'll catch you on the next stop. Hi everyone, so it is nighttime and it's right now 9 p.m. It's 9 p.m. and I am for some reason not tired. Usually I get tired at this time, but right now these storms are still, all of them are active, but the thing is it's taking its precious time just to get to Springfield, Missouri. So I've been sitting in this car for like a few hours doing nothing. I've been watching YouTube videos, obviously to entertain myself while I wait for these storms to come at me, and hopefully I can get some action today. If not, then this might be a failed video and might not be used at all. And I really hate like to not drive down here for no reason. I hate doing that, and I really don't want it to bust or anything. So hopefully we get some action here. If not, then I'm just gonna head home. Just a little update. So right now it is raining. It's raining. Oh, okay. The rain's getting worse. All right, I gotta wipe this off. I swear to God, I just saw an anvil crawler over there, and right now it is raining. Finally, I need cool air. I need some cool weather, because right now, oh, was that an explode? What was that? I might have been I don't know what that was. Oh boy, I need to clean this off. This is not good. The lighting is just really killing it. The lighting is really bad off because of how warm it was in the car. Now everything, the lights are just all like that. Forgive me if they're like this right now. The lights are all weird looking, but I saw an anvil. That was one over there. I didn't capture it, unfortunately, but oh wow, that was a flash. Oh, look at those flashes in the sky. There's less flashes though. See if I can zoom. Oh yeah, I can zoom out. Drove all the way out here just to wait for this to happen. It's not severe warned yet, which is great. I think I can go outside now. I think the rain's starting to lit up a little bit, but this storm's heading for me. It's trying to come over here and destroy everything. No, I'm kidding. It's not going to destroy everything. This is just a weak windstorm. But hopefully we can get an anvil crawler here. So we're gonna record for a little bit, see if we can capture it. No, nothing crazy. I accidentally hit my elbow on the wall. That kind of hurt. Time is 9:40 something p.m. and we got this storm heading for me. Oh. That looked like an explosion, but it's not. It really was not an explosion. Oh, rain's coming back again, it looks like. That'd be great if the storm's slow moving. All right. Here it comes. Oh, that's heavy rain. Felt that drop. It looked super. I need some rain on my fingers so I can wipe the weird lights. Actually, you know what? I'm using my car. That made it worse. Oh, that's better. That is so much better. The rain's coming. There's cars. There's still cars out here. I mean, it's not like, I mean, some people stay up at midnight and do like, there's a truck drivers everywhere. Right now, I'm up storm chasing on a slight risk day, just a windbag event, looks like. Okay, looks like the rain is starting to get a little hectic here. The storm is, oh wow. Okay, I think it's showing that this storm is trying to intensify here. Here she comes. No anvil crawlers? I swear this storm did an anvil crawler moment. But they're all these like flashes are all back there. So this is gonna be a little tough to get an anvil crawler. God, I love them. Love anvil crawlers. They're interesting. Very interesting. Once the storm's on top of me, I'm gonna head and change positions. I think I caught one. I don't know. It looked like an anvil crawler. That flash looked like an anvil crawler though, but I'm not sure if I captured it. All right, I'm gonna give you all an update what I'm gonna do with the storm. Everyone, we're here in Hibbing. Literally, strong windbag event. Oh my God, lots of lightning. Oh my Lord. It's gonna get really nuts, really fast. Oh my God, all right. Holy cow, yep. Trees are picking up. I gotta get out of here. This is nuts. The winds are crazy. I gotta get out of here. Holy cow. Big time lightning, big time flashes, big time wind. I gotta get in the car. Yeah, big time storm heading straight into this town. And I don't know where to go. Oh boy. Just want to let you know. Guys, I had to get out of the Casey's gas station because someone was coming out. There was big time winds though. Big time winds up to 40 miles per hour on ground, maybe. You can hear the winds outside. Okay. Right now, I am driving back home, and I guess this event turned out, it turned out okay, I guess. I mean, this wasn't the best chase I've done. Unless I do capture a CG lightning bolt, which will be really cool, really cool. We're gonna be driving for there's a lot of light. This is a big time light show. Wow. Do you guys hear that? Listen to this. Strong winds. All right. Oh wow. See if we can capture anything cool with the lightning. It feels like the wind. Oh wow, the winds are ripping. The winds are ripping right now. Okay. Man, I gotta make sure I gotta turn on my windshield wipers because this could be really dangerous, really fast. Oh, okay, that was a CG bolt right there. CG bolt. Okay. Right there. There we go. Got it. That was a beautiful CG bolt. Oh, wow. That was insane. Woohoo! Hopefully I don't get into any like car accidents. That would be good. I'm driving slow right now because this is really getting bad right now. It's really getting bad. Dang, another one. There's so many CGs. A lot of CG lightning. Right? It's always in front of, it's always there. I'm gonna see if I can get something. We're driving slow because right now I do not want to risk myself. Oh, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the winds too. Wow. Oh yeah, this is big time winds. This might pose a threat for flash flooding too. Oh my god! That was awesome! Oh, that is sick. I must have captured it. Oh my god. Big time winds. This storm might be better than the high risk flood chase I've done. Or equally as good. Oh my god. I guess this chase was worth it. Man, I felt so disappointed. I felt so disappointed until this happened. Big time. See if we can capture another one. Let's see if that radio tower gets struck by the bolt. Let's see. Oh, I don't think so. Oh yeah, big time winds. Wow. What a light show. Near Springfield, Missouri. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, big time winds are coming. Big time winds. It's hard to drive. Oh god, I gotta stop recording. I gotta stop recording. I don't even know where the heck I'm at right now. I don't even know if I'm on the right. Bitch. I'm sorry. Sorry about the swearing. I did not mean to do that to that person. I'll blame this on me. This one was my fault. I turned on my headlights. Wow. Alright. I gotta stop recording now. This is getting pretty dangerous. Just an update on that situation with the guy that flashed his headlights at me a couple times. Technically, it was my fault. Like, I had my headlights on at him and flashed his eyes. It was my fault. But don't worry, it happens, so I really don't care. Yeah, I keep seeing CG lightning bolts over there, so I'm gonna see if I can capture some on camera before I get on I-44 heading northeast back home. But this chase has been really cool with all this lightning activity. It's really cool. And I think I just got a bolt there, but it was just so hidden. So hidden in there. Okay. Holy cow. Who are those? What the frick? Okay, hold up. I can't see, dude. Thank you. Thank you. I gotta keep the phone down right now. I'm recording. Dude. I had to flash my flash did. Now I know how that guy feels now. He flashed his headlights at me. People these days, but it's okay. I really don't care. I mean, I did care a little bit. Still, anyways, I'm just here to storm chase and have a great time. This chase is relatively worth it, and I just caught a CG bolt there. See again, we can get another one. They're all over there. I just gotta keep my phone over there. The winds are no more. The winds are past us now. We're out of the windstorm. Right now I'm going slow because I don't want to crash my car into like a ditch or something like that. Interesting. I think I captured like 7 to 8 CGs already. This chase is worth it. It's worth every money. Lots of CGs, lots of everything. All right, I'm gonna stop recording, guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And subscribe if you want to see more of this. Yeah, bye.